Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to know if your ID.me account is verified or not. In order to know about it, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with the procedure, so basically you have to first of all log in and then go to your profile icon and go to my accounts. Go ahead and tap on my wallet. As you do that, you'll be taken to this page. So on this page, when you see inactive IDs, that means I've not actually activated my ID, that my account is not verified. But if you see active IDs right on this page, which means that you've successfully activated your ID, along with that you've also verified. You'll find any communities you successfully verified for, and if you verified for the military section, the card, then you need to check if the card says service member or veteran. That's how you can get to know if the account has been verified or not. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.